everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So in this video today, I'm going to be decorating my Fall Beverage Cart. Come on with me. So yes, that's Nina and that's Nala, and we're going to be decorating this beverage cart. So I got this cart on sale on Amazon. And this is the first time that I actually have a beverage cart to decorate. So be kind as I decorate this cart for you. So let's get started. All right, so this video is a part of a collaboration called the Fall Beverage Cart Entertaining Open Collaboration. And this is being hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, that's myself. Lifestyle Designs with Teresa, Design with Emma, At Home with Lisa, Debbie Bubbles, and May's Design Corner. Now, as in all collaborations, remember we follow YouTube etiquette. All right, so most of these items I did purchase at the Dollar Tree, and they were like really perfect. I never go by their food section, and I just happened to see these Martinelli blends, apple juice. They had the apple cider. I'm not sure if they have the cider, but I do know they carry it. And also the pear. I did get a couple of blends, so I am going to be using them while decorating this bar cart. Now, the Dollar Tree's party section, I always call it the silver section. They carry these wine glasses, that clear plastic bucket. I have gems in there, okay, for ice. And it's just amazing. I had such a fun time decorating this. It was my first one, so I hope you guys enjoy what I do. So I'm gonna leave you to a little bit of music as I go ahead and finish decorating this bar cart. So I'll see you at the end. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video, and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. So I couldn't believe that those bottles I was placing in there on the second level were Shirley Temples. And I thought that was so cute. Look at it. I think my card came out absolutely amazing. Let's head on over to the reveal, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. Amen.